Students, we are going to see today the next lesson in maths, that is 8th lesson, which is of quadrilateral construction and types of quadrilateral. So first we are going to learn the different types of quadrilateral and how to construct them. But before that, we have to see if we remember how to construct the triangle. If we know the construction of triangle properly, it will be easier for us to do the construction of quadrilateral. So first we will revise construction of triangles. Now a triangle has three sides, okay, and three angles. So there are total 6 elements are there in a triangle, 3 sides and 3 angles. So 6 elements. So out of these 6 elements, if we have been given any 3, remember, if out of the 6 we are given 3, then we can construct a triangle. Okay, so either of the 3 sides and 3 angles we have to be given to, in all there are 6, so we have to be given 3 to construct a triangle properly. If only 2 are given, then it is not possible for us to construct a triangle. So now let us see how we are going to construct the triangle. So we will I will construct this triangle number 1 and triangle number 2 for you, and then we'll go to the quadrilateral part. So now here see triangle ABC. They have given us what we have to name the triangle. It is triangle ABC, where length AB is 5, length BC is 5.5 and length AC is 6. So now here all the 3 lengths are given. They have not given us any angles. All the 3 lengths are given. So when we are doing the construction of triangle where lengths are given of the side, usually we take the longest side as the base. It is not compulsory, but it is taken as the base because it is easier to do the construction that way. So now here in this triangle, what we are going to do, we are going to take, first we will write down. So first what we are going to do, the construction of triangle. Now in this, what is given in triangle ABC, what is given to us? Length AB is equal to 5, length BC is equal to 5.5 and length AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is given to us. We are doing the construction. Always remember, constructions are to be done in pencil only, not in pen. Naming also should be done in pencil, not in pen. So whenever you are doing any geometry work, you should have your geometry box, this box ready. Here now we are going to use a scale and a pencil. Whenever you're doing construction of a triangle, now triangle will be this way, right? So we have to start the construction, leave little bit space and then start the construction. Before starting the actual construction, we always do a rough figure. For any geometrical constructions, we always have to do a rough figure. Rough figure also carries certain marks. So now here we are going to do triangle ABC. They have given us these 3. So we are going to take AC as the base. So in my rough figure also I will put small figure AC. Now this, sorry, here now this is A and this is C. AC. How much is AC? This is 6 centimeter. Now this point is B. How much is A? Suppose this is B. AB is how much? 5 and BC is 5.5. So we know what type of triangle it is going to be. It is going to be such a figure. So this is our rough figure. Now we'll do the actual construction. So leave some, where you have written, leave some place, okay, because we want 5.5. Okay, so we have to leave at least 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and then start the construction. So when you're starting the construction, we are going to take on the scale, we are going to start measuring from here, not from here. Remember, we will start from the first line which we see here. So this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I hope you know how to measure from the scale. So now I will put my scale over here and I will measure 6 centimeters starting from here. So this is my starting point and this is my ending point. So I will draw a segment. We don't call it a line because it is a segment. Line has arrows, line has no definite length. Part of a line which we are drawing here, that is a segment, and it has a length of 6 centimeters. So write down the length. This also you should write in pencil, not in pen. Here we will put A and C. Now we have to draw, now we have to draw both of this side. This is 5 and this is 5.5. Now I am not going to draw this with the help of a scale because I don't know where is the point B. It can be here, it can be here, anywhere. So I have to use my rounder. Okay, without using my rounder I will not be able to do this. So I put my pencil in my rounder. I hope you know how to adjust. It should be at equal distance this way. So, see this way. Okay, then tighten it, make it tight. Okay, it should move freely. Yeah, now what we want this AB as 5 centimeters. So with the help of this I will measure 5 centimeter. I'll keep my pencil point at the first line and this point at 5 centimeter. So when I get this measure is now 5 centimeter, I will put my point over here of the rounder. I will draw an arc. This is known as a arc. Yes. So draw quite big arc. Don't draw a very small arc because we don't know where our other arc is going to cut it. So we have to be, before only we have to draw quite a big arc. Now this is 5 centimeter and what is the other side? This is 5.5. So again I will keep my pencil over here and I will measure. Now this is 5. I have to measure 5.5. So little bit ahead, 5.5. Now I will put my, on this C, I will draw another arc to cut this arc. Okay, I am going to cut this arc. So your both arcs should cut somewhere like this. If you draw, suppose from here you have drawn the arc only till here, little bit till here, it won't cut. So you have to draw quite a bigger arc. Suppose sometimes it happens that you draw a small arc. Suppose I draw an arc like this till here only of 5 centimeter. I have drawn an arc clear, and if my arc is this 5.5 is here, so I can again go back and extend this arc. No problem. Okay, but your arc should cut each other properly at a point. Now what is this point? This is our point B. This is our point B. Now I will join this point A and B. Exactly, you will join. Similarly, you will join this point A and B and C, and then you will write the measures also. This is 5 centimeter and this is 5.5 centimeter. So this is the construction of our triangle. So it should be neat. You should not do dark lines. You should use pencil only, no use of pen allowed, and draw the arcs. Don't rub this arc afterwards. They have to remain as they are because there are marks. You should don't do the construction without using a rounder. Whenever you have to do such construction, always use a rounder when the 3 sides are given. You cannot just draw with the help of scale a triangle where 3 sides are given. You have to use a rounder. Okay, and don't rub out this arc. This is the construction 1. Okay, from here our book, that is the recall page number 41. Now we will do the second construction. What is given to us now in this second construction? Triangle DEF. Measure angle D is equal to 35 degrees. Measure angle F is equal to 100 degrees. And length DF is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Now in this triangle, 3 part, what they have given us 3 quantities. They have given us 2 angles and 1 side. So whatever side is given to us, that we have to take as base. We cannot take any because only one side is given. So that only will be the base. So when I draw the rough figure, now while drawing the rough figure, you don't need to take a scale. You can just draw it freehand. So see what is my DF. So this will be my DF. How much is this? 4.8. Now my angle D, how much is my angle D? 35. So see, my angle, this straight if I draw, it will be 90. So 35 is less than 90, so it will come inside. So my angle D will be this way. And what is my angle F? It is 100. So this angle F, D, now this is D and this is F, right? So my angle F is how much? That is 100. So my angle F will be somewhere, see this is 90, so it will be this way. So I have to construct a triangle showing the angle as 100. So I cannot do that. First I'll draw this way only. This is 35 and here it is 100 and this is E. So D, E, F. Angle D is 35, angle F is 100. Now let us see if we can do this construction. Now this is a little bit difficult construction. Why? Because here they have given us 35, here 100. When we start doing this construction, we will find that my 35 degrees will come inside, my 100 degrees will come outside. So it is difficult to manage to draw this triangle. Let us see now. I'll just show it to you how we are going to do that. First, what we have to take? 4.8. So let us take 4.8. Always leave some space and then do 4.8. Now this is 4 here. Then 4.5, 3 lines after 4.5. So this is 4.8. You can use the same pencil or you can use different pencil also. This is D, F. Now I have to measure with the help of my, I don't have any length given. Okay, this is 4.8, but here they have not given us any length. So I have to take my round, this D or the protractor. From here now I will measure angle of 35. So whenever you are measuring an angle from this point, keep this point over here. And where is the remaining part of a segment? On the right side, no? D, F. D is a starting point till F. So my angle measurement should start from the right, that is 0, 10, 20, 30 and 35. So my 35 degrees will be somewhere here. So what should I do now? Now 35 degrees I got. So with the help of my scale, with the help of the scale, now what I am going to do? I am going to join this. Now this is my mark of angle of measure 35. So I don't know where my angle is, triangle is going to end. So I am going to draw quite a big segment. This, I know this is angle 35 degrees. Now I have to measure angle of 100 degrees from here. My 100 degrees. Now this also, now my segment, remaining part of the segment is on the left side, right? I'm keeping my point over here. So I have to measure from this 0. I will not measure from this 0 now. I have to measure from this 0. Why? Remaining part of the segment is, when I want to make an angle here, I have to measure from this 0. When I want to make an angle over here, I will measure from this side 0. Okay. So I keep my, and this below line, this line, it should be on your segment properly. Now measure of angle 0, 10, 20, 30. Always start counting from 0. Don't just look for 100, because you will see 200s over here. See, here also there is 100 and here also there is 100. So which 100 you are going to take? It will be confusing if you directly look for 100. So always count from 0 and come to the proper 100. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So my 100 is over here. If I directly look for 100, I may mark over here. This is also 100, but this 100 is from the right side. I don't want this 100 now. I want the 100 from left side. So I have to start counting. Always remember this. Whenever you do constructions, any type of constructions, whenever you want to mark any angle, always count from 0. Don't just look for the number on the protractor, because the numbers are 2 times on the protractor. If I take 40, the 40 is 2 times. If I take 140, it is 2 times. So you have to be very careful which 40 or which 140 or which 100 you need. So when I am marking an angle from here this way, I have to look from the right side. When I mark an angle on the this end, I have to look from the left side and count. Yeah, now so this is my 100. So this was the marking of 100 degrees. So I will join over here because I marked this as 100, right? Okay, so this angle is 100, this angle is 35, DEF, and this my point is E. So in this way the construction is done. So when I mark 35, I have to mark, but I have to see. If I had drawn my segment only up to here earlier, then when after I do this again, I had to extend this. So at first only you try to draw a little bit bigger segment, length should be more of that segment, and then you, when the point where these two segments cut is our point E. So in this way we have done two constructions, construction number 1 and that is sum number 1 and sum number 2. Now remaining constructions, that is sum number 3 and 4, you will do for you will do on your own and send me the pictures. Now let us go to the quadrilateral. Now what is a quadrilateral? See here, quadrilateral. Now like triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 sides, right? Same way a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay, these are the 4 angles and these are the 4 sides. Along with that, a quadrilateral also has this, see this, PR and SQ. These are known as the diagonals. What they are known as? Diagonals. Diagonals. 2 diagonals. So each quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. How many diagonals? 2. So total how many elements are there in a quadrilateral? 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. So there are total 10 elements in a quadrilateral. So let us see now. If we know now out of this 10, if we know 5 elements, now see here for triangle, what there were 6 elements, and if we knew 3 elements we could draw the triangle. Same way for a quadrilateral, out of the 10, if we know any 5 elements, we can construct a quadrilateral. Now let us see this construction of a quadrilateral. If the length of 4 sides and a diagonal is given, now what is given here? All the 4 sides are given and one diagonal is given to us. So we have to construct a quadrilateral using this data which we have. Construct quadrilateral. Now for quadrilateral we put this sign. Every time we don't write the spelling of quadrilateral, we use this square, this sign of a square, to show that it is a quadrilateral. Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length of PQ is 5.6, length of QR is 5 centimeter, length PS is 4.3, length RS is 7 and length QS is 6.2. Now for drawing this, what we are going to do, see, let us draw a rough figure and show the given information in it. Now this is a rough figure. What they have shown this information is given to us, we have to show in the rough figure. So they have taken PQ as the base. So this is PQ, this is RQ, SR, and this is SQ, and this is PS. So all we have marked. We see that the sides of triangle SPQ and SRQ are known. Now we know that, see, now what is here, you can see now these are 2 triangles. This is one triangle SRQ and this is the other triangle SPQ, and we have all 3 sides of this triangle as well as all the 3 sides of this triangle. So like we did the construction of triangle, when the 3 sides are given, we will do construction of this quadrilateral. So for doing the construction, first we'll construct this triangle and then below that we will construct this triangle. Okay, now let us start doing this construction. Okay, Now let us start doing the construction. We should have our rough figure in front of us. Okay, I'm not drawing the rough figure again on the book because it is already there here. Okay, you can see the rough figure. So we have to, first what we have to do, construct one triangle and the second triangle. So for constructing one triangle, I have to draw this as a base. What is the base over here now? 6.2. So let me take the 6.2 as a base. So we have to take 6.2 as a base. So this is from here, this is 6 and this is 0.2. So 6.2. Now see here, I think it is difficult for you all to see this. So I'll do the construction with the help of a sketch pen, but you are not going to do that. You are going to do the construction with the help of pencil only, not with sketch pen here. This is 6.2 centimeter. And what is the name of that 6.2? It is SQ. So I will name it as SQ. Now what I want now, SQ, here I want 5 centimeter and here I want 7 centimeter. So with the help of my rounder, I will take 7 centimeter and draw an arc. This is S, so I want from S 7 centimeter. I draw an arc, draw a big arc, okay. And from the other side I want 5 centimeter. So from here I will draw another arc to cut this arc. Now the point where these arcs meet, is what point R. That is my point. This is my point R. So I will join. I am joining with sketch pen. You are to do the joining part with pencil only, not with sketch pen. But it will not be visible to you. That's why I am doing by pencil, by sketch pen. You will do by pencil. Okay. Now this is how much? 5 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. So one part of my quadrilateral is done. Now I have to do the part which is done. So not necessarily your quadrilateral should always be this way. It can be this way also. Okay. It has to, but what is the criteria? It has to have 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. So it can be in any direction. Now what I want here now? I want the point P. Right, see here. I want this part is done now. I want to do this part. Now I want 5.6 and 4.3. So I will take on my scale 5.6. So this is 5 and this is 0.6. So 5.6 I have to draw from Q. Again I will do the same thing. I will draw an arc. And from the other side I want 4.3. So 4.3 I will draw arc from here to cut this arc. See this point. Where these arcs are cutting each other, that is my point P. Again I will join here. This is how much? 5.6 centimeter and this is 4.3 centimeter. So my quadrilateral is constructed. So we have done the construction of this quadrilateral. Construct triangle quadrilateral PQR is such that PQ is 5.6, QR is 5, PS is 4.3 and RS is 7 centimeter and QS is 6.2. QS is the diagonal. So we have done the construction. Then for answer what you are going to write? Quadrilateral PQRS is the required quadrilateral. That is our answer. So I hope you have followed how we have done this construction. Now using this, you will do the construction given in example 2. Okay, this part. This you will do in your notebook and send me the picture. Okay, you don't have to draw the rough figure. Rough figure is given over here. They have shown how to do. Here also we have to construct triangles, and then do the construction. So this first do this 6.5, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter draw triangle of this first. Then again by using this as a base, construct this 4.5. Okay, and try to do the construction if it is possible. Otherwise I will show it in the next video how to do this construction. I hope you have understood. At least this construction you will try to do on your own. Do this construction, same one, and send me the picture. Same construction you have to do. Okay.